What could possibly go wrong this time? Okay. Don't even know if I can take off on this ground. It looks bumpy. Oh. Flying, it's up. It's up. Oh, this is better. This is better. You got it, Jack?
Kind of.
Look at this, yeah? Oh, yes. Oh, that's better. You see when left's left and right's right. Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, God. It's like pulling to the right. I don't know how to trim it. I don't know how to trim it, Jack.
I have no idea what you're going on about.
That's it. Oh, look at him go. Oh, look at this baby, Jack, eh? Oh, it's flying true now. Oh, yeah! Little left turn, with the nose up. Some power on. Oh. Still nervous. I need to drop the power down a bit. Bring it down a bit. Jack, it's flying nice, isn't it?
You make me bloody dizzy.
Whoa. Losing height, losing altitude. Get it up.
How's it gone?
Oh, mistakes. Oh, I didn't set the timer. I have 1 minute 35 left. Oh, climb, baby, climb. Let's see for the GoPro. Oh no, up. Right, 1 minute left. Shall I try and land it?
Yeah. Before it crashes.
Yeah? Oh! Eh? piece.